replace my brake pads because they've been making some screeching noise, and it sounds like metal on metal. So it's a good thing my dad's here. He's gonna fix that up, so that way my brake pads will sound better. I'm guessing it's the brake pads that needs to be replaced because it does sound like metal on metal every time I hit the brakes. That's an air pump right there. That's an air pump?
Yeah. Compressor.
Oh, compressor. Did it turn off by itself, or?
Yeah, it turned off by itself.
There it goes. Oh, what's wrong?
It won't fit in there.
Oh, it doesn't?
No.
Okay.
Get that block
Okay.
and put it under that tire.
On the front?
Yeah, on the front. Yeah. Turn it around. Turn it the other way. There's that other side. No.
Oh.
Yeah, like that. There you go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's good. I'm glad you had that.
Let's try and put the brakes on.
Put the brakes on? Okay.
Yeah, step on the brakes. I hate when they tighten them so much at the tire shops.
What millimeter is that? 25?
No, probably a 17.
Oh, 17. Got my gloves on right now. I'm going to be touching that tire right there.
Why is that one hard? Okay, you'll have to.
Oh, okay. Need a bungee cord or
No, just lay it on top of it.
Oh, okay. I saw somebody on YouTube video using a bungee cord to make it hang or something, I think.
Yeah, some of them use, depends where it's at.
How's that?
It's not. I mean, they need the brakes, but they're worn down. See this right here? See this metal?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what you're hearing it's doing.
Oh, that's...
Yeah, this is when it's already worn down more. They're supposed to be a little higher. So that's what you were hearing, this metal.
Yeah.
This is a safety. This is like telling you, okay, you need brake pads. Don't lose that.
Those things?
Yeah, so leave them there. That's good.
Okay, I'll just leave them on this.
Yeah. Just leave those brakes there. We gotta take them back to out of them so give me new ones.
Okay. You don't have an extra blanket, huh?
No, yeah, I got blanket. I don't need it. I'm comfortable right here.
Oh, okay.
These are, see, this is what you were hearing.
Yeah, the right side was bad.
Yeah.
So it ran out of pads now. This is the
Right there, it started, yeah. I mean, yeah.
Man, that's how it sounded like.
Yeah. I have to pull this rotor off.
And you have free warranty.
Not for those. We never change those out. But if they have the machine to turn it, they'll clean it. Now we have to buy a new one. How much did you pay for the one?
$128.
No, for the rotors. For the rotors.
Oh, I have the receipt. I have to look through.
I looked through it. They were $45.
Oh, it was $45. Those circle things right there.
Yeah.
What are these called? Rooters?
Rotors.
Oh, they're like $45 in AutoZone. Right there. Brake rotor, $45.99.
God, I hope I don't have to take this off because I don't have the wrench to take that off. Probably do. It's all one unit. Yeah, it sure is. I don't have that.
Oh, you don't have your wrench?
No, I don't have the socket for that.
My dad's just putting it back on since we can't get the rotor off.
That's all right. I could always take it off another time.
My dad got the new brake pads, and this is how they're supposed to look. And I don't know what happened to the old ones. Did you throw away the old ones already?
No, they keep them.
They keep them.
Yeah, they keep them. You have to take them back.
Oh, okay.
They're lifetime warranty, so they need the old ones so you know you got them there.
Oh, nice. These ones are thicker looking.
You don't have pliers, do you?
I should have pliers.
Some big ones?
Oh no, I'll check.
This one's doing, but it's not. In mine. No, this ain't gonna do it.
Went to Harbor's Tools and picked this up, and I think it costs like between $4 or $5.
Let me have the
Harbor Tool Store.
Harbor Freight, not Harbor Tool. Harbor Freight.
Harbor Frame?
Harbor Freight.
Oh, Harbor Freight.
That's why I don't like these things. I really use pliers. It's faster.
But it was cheaper to get this, huh?
Yeah, it's cheaper. Why do I want pliers when I...
It didn't do the trick, or?
Yeah, it's good. Just gotta turn it and get it off. I just have to lay down to do these stupid things sometimes. I can't work with gloves. I don't know why I have them on.
right, guys, so that is it for this content. I just wanted to document about my car getting its brake pads replaced, so that way I know how it's done. This is like the third time recording my dad to do some mechanic work on my car, so that way in the future I would be able to know how to do it myself. So take care, see you next time, peace.